This house is La Masia Mariona, a Catalan country house built by Pachot in 1927. Pachot built the house for spending summer holidays and also as a place where to retire. The name of the house, Mariona, is taken from the daughter of Pachot, Maria, who died in his 20s. The house is located near Muscaroles, a small village, and Pachot, who was a very religious man, got a path from the house to the church. The surrounding woods and fields also belong to this house. All this area now is inside a natural park. This is the frontage of the Masia Mariona. It can be seen that it was built in 1927. The stones of the windows of the first floor were broken by the fire during the Civil War. In the main doorway, Pachot ordered to write "Hostes vindran, cada casa ens trauran." That means, hosts will come that will throw us away. And the date, 3rd August of 1936. And it ends with goodbye.